All right. It's 1900 hours. Let's begin. Are we ready? All right. Before I begin, a few house rules, as you can see on the screen. Please ensure that you are on mute so that the webinar can continue smoothly without any disturbances. Please switch on your video. We'd love to see all of you. And please ensure your device speakers are turned on. You'd want to hear what our lovely speaker is going to say. And any questions you have, please feel free to type in the chat box. All right, then, Leke Prabhu ka naam. We are ready to begin today's webinar. Friends, can't hear. Meera is saying she can't hear. Meera, could you please check your speaker settings? The rest of you, can you not hear me? Am I not audible? I am, right? I am. All right. Meera, you'll have to check your speaker settings. Okay. All right, I'm going to get started, and I don't want to waste your precious time. So friends, family, and well-wishers, good evening, and a warm welcome to today's webinar. My name is Sagarika Mohanty, and I want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for sparing time out of your precious Sunday evening to support us. Although most of you are familiar with today's speaker, I'll take a quick moment to introduce the lady who I'm proud to call my mother. Haripriya Mohanty has always been much more than a wife, a daughter, and a mother. And throughout my life, I have seen so many people come to visit her and seek her counsel. On her 40th anniversary, in February this year, she single-handedly launched herself as a happiness and life coach under the name Healing Angel Priya. I have seen her put hours and hours of study and homework to get to the stage where she is at now. Half a year has flown by since we lost Papa. While we are still coping with this grief, my mother, like a phoenix, has begun to rise from the ashes, pun intended. Without much ado, I present to you Haripriya, aka Healing Angel Priya, to start today's webinar.
Hello. Today I'm so excited for my first webinar. That is also my favorite topic, gratitude, love, and affirmation. So thank you, Sagarika, my daughter, for the introduction. So I am actually I'm so overwhelmed. I am getting so much of energy from all of you. So that is boosting my energy twice, thrice, maybe 10 times. By seeing you in the room, I'm really grateful to all of you because all of you are divine people. You are here to gather for a greater cause. And all over India, people are joining. Also from abroad, also people are joining. So that is why today's webinar, English and Hindi mixed type. So I am welcoming all of you. So Sukriya. Today's topic is the gratitude, love, and affirmation. And everybody I know what is the meaning of gratitude. And like me, they are also regularly practicing gratitude. But are you practicing it in the right technique? So today I just want to describe few things about this right technique and how to get the best result when we practice the when we practice the gratitude. So in the last 6 months, what Sagarika told that my husband passed away. Okay, I enrolled myself in many self-developmental course in this 6 months period, and I got lots of insight regarding my regarding the life. So today I want to share this with all of you. So all the insight that changed my perspective towards life, what I understand from my study for the 6 months, I think every day I have to study for 16 to 17 hours, maybe sometime 18 to 20 hours. I really work hard. So this is my first webinar. Okay, now I am sharing all the insights. First, we are the creator of our own destiny. So believe it, we are the creator of our own destiny. अपना रास्ता खुद बनाओ. Universe will help you. Right? Okay, the second one is the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. Am I right? Please write it in chat box. If you agree with the statement, the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. Okay. And the third one is the don't be a beggar. Whatever you want, claim it. Claim it. Don't be a beggar. By fourth statement, definitely, when I read my share my fourth statement, then we'll understand why I said this. My fourth statement is Ham Brahmasmi. That means Brahma, who are the creator. So we have to believe that we are the universe. So when we are the universe, why should we beg? Whatever we want, there are abundance in the universe. Whatever we want, we have to create it. We have to claim it. Because we have to claim with our power. That is the most important thing. We have to believe that you are the universe. Right? Are you agree with me? Okay, and the fifth lesson is that if you will give, then only you can receive. इसका मतलब क्या है? I want to share a story. एक छोटा सा बात बताती हूँ. आपके पास एक 1 liter का बॉटल है. You are going to a tap. Open the tap. You will collect 1 liter bottle. You will go to the river. You will collect 1 liter bottle of water only. You cannot collect 5 liter of bottle. Even if you go to the ocean, when there are millions and millions of liters of water, but can you collect more than 1 liter of water in that bottle? No. So make your vessel big. That means make your heart big. So if you give, जैसे बोलते हैं ना 1 रुपया दे दो, 100 रुपया या 1000 रुपया या करोड़ रुपया आएगा. So make your heart big. Learn the technique of giving. Then only you can abundantly, you can receive many things. Many things. Right? Okay, the fifth insight is money has no power. Money has no energy. Money has power maybe, but money has no energy. The way we spend money, then only it is either positive converted into positive energy or to negative energy. So I want to just give some small example. When the terrorists, they are using the money to buy the weapon, bomb, everything. What? For what? To harm the people. But when for army, we are buying the weapon, everything. What for? For the protect our country, for peace. So when terrorists are using, that is negative energy. But when we are using, it is positive energy. So always use money in a positive way, not in a negative way. And the last one, Oh, I think it is over. All the insults are over. Then what is that insight? What we learn, that everything is depend on us. What is our thought? जैसे पहले जैसे 3 मंकी गांधी जी दिखा रहे थे कि बुरा ना देखो, बुरा ना सोचो, बुरा ना बोलो. So thought, deed and speech. Three things are very important in our life. Okay, actually our thought, that only always change our world around us. अगर हम अच्छा सोचते हैं तो we will get also that kind of surrounding in our world, and also our words are very powerful, so we can build our personality to heal the world. I just want to show some describe some experiment. You can do it in your home. Everybody take 2 glasses of water. After the webinar, you can check that whether I'm telling you truth or not. Take 2 glasses of water and fill it half up. Okay, in 1 glass, you just उसको गाली दो, जितने भी abuse करो पानी को, जितने भी abuse करो, गाली दो और उसमें लिख दो either bad or hell. एंड दूसरे ग्लास में 1 ग्लास पानी लो, 2 ग्लास है तो 1 ग्लास पानी को जितना प्यार करना है प्यार करो, बोलो यू आर द लाइफ, यू आर द बेस्ट, and water, without water we can't survive, it is so, you are so nice, so everything you can say, and write heaven in that glass and put it in the freezer. Tomorrow you can see that where how the word affect the glass. Well, which glass we wrote hell, the color of the glass, the water color of the glass will change, whereas the heaven, the color of the glass is crystal clear. So you just imagine that how the words are so powerful. We have to choose our word very, very carefully, what we are saying, even in our daily life. किसी को अगर बोलते हैं, मतलब even if we are scolding someone, मर जा, तो एक्चुअली उनका लाइफ का जिंदगी में कम ही हो जाता है. So always choose the word carefully to get the best result. Okay, so we have to practice this, to change the word, practice the word carefully. Whatever we have to do, we have to change our vibration. How do we change our vibration? That is the secret, that is gratitude, gratitude and gratitude. Okay, so if you sincerely want to change anything, sincerely want to do something, the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. So how in the Om Shanti Om movie, शाहरुख खान said कि कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज का दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Am I true? Yes. When Shahrukh Khan said the king of romance, so then it is true. Okay, so just I remember something, because the king of romance, when I said king of romance, then I thought that I must share something about love. Okay, love. When हम लोग जब मतलब प्यार करते हैं या नया नया शादी होता है, कुछ भी है, दिन में 10 बार फोन करके बोलते हैं आई लव यू, जैसे ही आते हैं आई लव यू, आई लव यू, आई लव यू. When the time pass, we forget everything. Then there is a distance between us. Just remember, कब आपने बताया अपने स्पाउस को कि आई लव यू? कब आपने बताए रिसेंटली? याद कीजिए, कब बताए अपने पेरेंट्स को आई लव यू? कब पता है अपने भाई बहन को कि आई लव यू? अपने सिबलिंग को कभी बताए आई लव यू? अगर नहीं, प्लीज डू इट टुनाइट. Please do it. You will see how you will bring the harmony in your relationship. When you tell your parents may be surprised. अगर वो नहीं है, अगर जिंदा है तो प्लीज आज फोन पे ही बता दीजिए उनको. अगर पास में है तो जरूर कीजिए, नहीं तो फोन में कर दीजिए. अगर वो ऊपर चले गए हैं तो उनको बस with your imagination say I love you and give a virtual hug to them. See, you will feel so light inside. Right now, right now, I am feeling so much love. I'm surrounded by loving people. In my van, love's only running. So it is so much powerful. So do this exercise tonight only. Don't hesitate. Just खुल के बोलो, जैसे शाहरुख खान ने हाथ खोल के जैसे बोल रहे हैं, ऐसे खुल के बोलो कि I love you. Right? Okay? So, जैसे मैंने बताया कि to increase our vibration, the most important thing is the gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. Because gratitude is the highest emotion. In our life, there are so many kinds of emotion. रोना भी एक emotion, हंसना भी एक emotion. But gratitude is the highest emotion. So you have to practice this. And what Mother Teresa said, the best way to show my gratitude is to accept everything, even my problems, with joy. So if you accept everything in your life, because if life है, तो problem तो आएगा ही. Am I right? Yes or no? Please write it in chat box. Problem तो आएगा ही, but अगर लाइफ में जब लाइन फ्लैट हो जाता है, कब फ्लैट होता है लाइन? इन आईसीयू में इफ यू गो इन एसीजी मशीन, व्हेन द लाइन इज फ्लैट, देन द डॉक्टर डिक्लेयर दैट यू आर नो मोर. तब और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आने वाला है. तो व्हेन योर लाइफ प्रॉब्लम विल कम, बट embrace the problem, accept the problem, then I'm sure you will enjoy the life much more. You'll feel more powerful. You'll feel more vibrant. For last 22 years, I'm practicing Buddhism, or in that, I give guidance to lots of people. So always I said that अपना energy frequency बढ़ाओ. When you are above, when we are going up, then we can see the flowers looks like a matchbox. So, but if we stand in front of a bigger 60 stories building, so the flat looks very high to us. So in this life also, always the problem looks so big. And when our life frequency is more, then when we go up, then our problem looks just like matchbox. Yes or no? Okay, so how to, there are actually two kinds of people in the world. Some are victim, some are creator. Okay, then I want to share what is victim and what is creator. Victim, always they complain. मेरे पास में क्या हुआ था, मुझे इसने यही बताया था, मुझे यही किया था, मुझे इसने चीट किया, मुझे ऑफेंडेड किया, मेरे साथ ये हुआ वो हुआ वाह. Always there is only noise and noise, because always they are complaining about life. अरे जिंदगी बहुत छोटा है, उसको प्यार से तो जी लो, उसको मजा ले लो, हंस के खुल के जियो. So other people are the creator. So creator, what they did in the first insight, I said that we are the creator of our own destiny. So think, create in your mind whatever you want. What do you want to manifest? Then you design that, you ask for that. There are two very important tools are there. What is that tools? One is, yes, gratitude. Second one is affirmation. Gratitude and affirmation. That is a daily activity. Every day you have to practice this, because then only that helps your roadblock to your success. There are lots of roadblocks in our success. When we practice this regularly, then only it helps us to make the road clear and we can go to the road of success. Okay, that it is a very, affirmation is a very powerful statement that create a positive, emotional, and highly visual picture when we affirmation. That is for our success. We can. That is a very emotional and highly visual picture for our success. We have to write it every day. So buy one new book, new journal for 1 year, one diary. Every day you have to write for 21 days to make it a habit. That is called NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming. If you do it for 21 days, if you miss after that, maybe after 1 month, if you miss 2-3 days, doesn't matter. You can, again, you can do that. Because in your mind, it is already fixed that I have to do gratitude every day. Yes or no? Write down in the chat box.
Yes.
Correct. Thank you. So, today actually, after this webinar, I'll remove the group I created for this webinar. I'll remove that today. So please save my number or the number and the below. You can save that, and every day after finishing the gratitude and affirmation, give me a thumbs up. Okay? You don't have to write. You just give me a thumbs up. Those who are accept the challenge for 21 days, give me a thumbs up. Okay, now I will give you the right guidance to how to write the correct affirmation. There are techniques. There are, like science, it is a scientific thing. It is a science and arts, how to write the affirmation. So there are certain techniques to write the affirmation. First thing, start with I am. Very wise. I am healthy. I am rich. I am lovable. Like that. Okay? Second one is always use present tense. I think for last 15 years, I am saying every time that please write it in present tense. After that also, सब लोग ऐसे लिखते हैं, I will become rich, I will become healthy, I will become that, I will, that is a future tense. तो future में आप कब होगे rich, आप कब होगे healthy. Always think that ये चीज हो गया और हो जाएगा. You have to write it in present tense. Feel it. Feel inside you that ये चीज हो गया, and you have to feel that. Be briefly to say it. जैसे मैं एक ब्रेथ में बोल सकती हूँ, ऐसे छोटा ही लिखो, ऐसे बड़ा नहीं लिखो कि I am loving my blue BMW. I am going to the countryside and with my family and I am enjoying the countryside and those things. Don't do that. Write very small sentence so that you can, in one breath, you can say that. Because you have to say it regularly. You have to remember. Sometimes maybe the paper, the book is not with us, but we have to remember. So you have to, if it is sentence is very brief, then you can remember very easily. Be specific. Not that कि bag चाहिए, मुझे घर चाहिए, मुझे गाड़ी चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. This is a bag thing. What do you want? You want a villa? You want a 4-bedroom flat? You want a villa at Goa? You want to visit Europe? I want to travel. What? Travel to where? So be specific. If you write that vague thing, then also you will get the vague result also. Okay? And include an action word, right? Like ing, running. I am walking every day. I am walking regularly. I am walking regularly. So walking, this is ing. I am driving the car every day to drop my son. Whatever you feel like, according to your requirement, you can write it down. And next is include at least one adjective, such as I am happily walking. Previous sentence I said that I am walking regularly. I am happily walking regularly. I am enjoying healthy food every day. So you know what are the adjectives? Happily, enjoying, everything. So you must write. There are lots of adjective in the world. So choose the right adjective for your sentence. Then describe it in a positive terms. Suppose मेरे ऊपर बहुत उदार है, तो जैसे मैं लिखूं कि I will finish my debt this year. So debt is a negative word. Instead of that, write down I am financially free this year, or I am earning so much that my life is very comfortable. I am traveling in business class. I am visiting to this country. So these are the positive words. Instead of negative, don't write not. I am not eating sugar. I am not going to eat sugar anymore. So by the way, I stopped sugar. I am not taking any sweets. So I just share it with you all. And always change yourself first, not the other person. Because the wife should not want that my husband should change, or the mother should not want that my son should change, or daughter-in-law should not think that my mother-in-law should change. So in how to change yourself? Say love you to your mother-in-law. If you are mother-in-law, say love you to your daughter-in-law. First they will think उनको क्या हो गया, but ये आदत डालिए, then you will see how this world is a beautiful place to live. So every day morning, write down five gratitude. Five gratitude. Example, I am alive today because कल रात को बहुत सारे लोग मर गए. मैं जिंदा हूँ with healthy body and healthy mind. मैं जिंदा हूँ. So it is a great thing. I am alive today. Grateful to your parents. Even if उनके साथ बनता भी नहीं है ना, तो भी लिखो, तो फिर ऑटोमेटिकली रिलेशनशिप अच्छा बन जाएगा. अगर बेटे के साथ भी नहीं बन रहा है तो भी लिखो. I'm grateful to your son name, grateful to the nature, grateful to the technology, grateful to the water we are drinking, grateful for each of our organs. I can see, I can hear, go from one place to another. Grateful for each छोटे छोटे चीज को देखो and be creative. अलग अलग कलर पेंसिल में लिखो. If you want to share something, nature, I am grateful to nature. You can draw a mountain, a tree, birds chirping, flower, everything. Be creative. It is your own gratitude book.
Okay, I am sorry to be interrupting. It's 7:30, so you'd like to wrap up in the next couple of minutes.
Okay. I'm completing this. So be creative in thing and affirmation. I give the all the guidance that how to write the affirmation. Write your affirmation and every day read it 3 times. 3 times. If you are in a public place, read it silently. If you are privately, you can read it loudly, so that you will get very good result. And whenever you feel any get any breakthrough by this 21 days practice, please write to me, message me, and give me a thank you for your success. For this success, please give me a thank you. So right now I am just inviting 1 or 2 questions. If anybody has any question, otherwise we have to wrap it up quickly because it is a free webinar and future, I'll do the paid webinar, so it will for the longer time. Anybody?
You can either type it in the chat box or go ahead and ask. We have another 10 minutes to take questions.
Unmute yourself and you can ask any question. No questions?
Yeah, I want to say something, Haripriya. It's a
Please.
wonderful, it's a wonderful, I mean, way of expressing how to express one's gratitude and how to remain happy and all that. So it is quite helpful. And thank you so much for this. I think others are also listening and practicing this particular session. Then only one will get into the perfect goal and achieve happiness. Thank you for this. Thank you.
Thank you for the question, and I'm sure that you will get the benefit definitely, because we've been practicing by 7 days only. I walk now for 1 hour. Believe me, for 5 minutes walk also very difficult for me. Because last month only we went to Dubai and I am the youngest. We all 4 sisters went there and I'm not able to walk for 5 minutes. Every time I'm searching where to sit. So now I am walking 1 hour. My BP, my blood sugar, everything is normal. I'm very calm. I'm feeling energetic. Hardly I'm sleeping for 3 to 4 hours every day. And my coach, my doctor, then they saw me, then say, how come it is possible? Why you are so energetic? How come it is you are getting so much energy? So yes, by practicing this, yes, there are lots of things I'm doing right now because to transform my life, so I can help you. So if you are stuck in your life for whatever reason, so actually my brand, I am the Healing Angel Priya. So I am ready to hold your hand. So for free clarity call, please, you can message me, WhatsApp me, so that I can give you that, because there are limited seats for the free clarity call. And if you think that how I can improve my webinar in future, because this is my first webinar, so I'm sure my husband's blessings is with me, so I can truly I can perform. At least I can share something properly with you. And always, and if you have any suggestion, please message me. So in future, I will take care of that, and I will do my webinar more interesting. And thank you for supporting me for a greater cause.
Thank you. It's a wonderful
Thank
session.
you, ma'am. Thank you
Thank-
so much. People
Thank
like
you so
us,
much.
we really need positive people like you around us to keep us motivated, to keep us happy, to have hope in this chaotic world. Really, thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Kunyappa. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining this webinar today. We are very, very thankful to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I also wanted to tell you that I also wanted to thank all of you who have donated for today's webinar. This was our first webinar, and your support was very, very crucial to us, and you have supported us at a very important juncture in your life. All of your donation will be going towards the treatment of needy cancer patients, actually to Amrit Dhara, the agency which took care of my father in his last few days in this earth. And Healing Angel Priya will be matching the amount which all of you have donated, and we will be donating that to Amrit Dhara very soon. So thank you again. Since this webinar was about gratitude, so I take this moment to express my gratitude to Healing Angel Priya and to all of you who have attended this webinar. Please take care of yourselves. Have a great Sunday, and keep the love.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you so
Sure.
much.
Thank
Good night.
you.
Thank you so much. Good night, everybody. Thank you, Kunyappa. Very
Thank
nice
you,
conversation.
everybody. Thank you, Kunmasi.
Thank you, Kunyappa.
Thank you,
so much.
Kunmasi.
Thank you, Chumpiappa.
Thank you,
Thank you for being a wonderful host. Thank you, Kunyappa. It was
Beautiful.
an amazing presentation.
Wonderful session.
Thank you.
Very
Thanks a
Thank
nice.
you.
lot.
Very
Thanks
informative.
a lot.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you,
You are
Purnamati.
such a great speaker and a very great orator. You explains everything so well. And your energy, I hope one day we get imbibe from you that energy. You are in a different level now. Thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
God bless.
Thank
Beautiful.
I want to say something. Bolo.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे
Thank you, Ji. Thank you, Prabha Ji. You are all my support system. Everybody, all are divine angel. Divine angel, they are supporting me. So I am grateful for that. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा लगा
Thank you, Auntie. It was very nice.
Who was this? We couldn't see the face.
Zai
Okay.
Thank you, Jai.
Yes. ବଢିଆ ଦୁଷ୍ଟ।
हाँ, हाँ,